Hi everyone. Today is officially day 1 of my stock market journey. And let me be honest with you. I know almost nothing about the stock market. So if you also know nothing, congratulations. We are in the same classroom. So what exactly is the stock market? Let's make it super simple. Imagine I start a company called ABC Tea Company. My company needs more money to grow. Instead of borrowing all the money, I can divide my company into small pieces and sell those pieces to other people. Those little pieces are called shares. If you buy some shares, you own a tiny part of my company. And the stock market is basically the marketplace where people can buy and sell these shares. Think of it like a vegetable market. Instead of buying tomatoes, you are buying tiny pieces of companies. And hopefully, these pieces are more useful than tomatoes. That's it for day 1. Today, I learned one simple thing. The stock market is a marketplace where people buy and sell shares of companies. Tomorrow, we learn what exactly a share is. One day, one concept. Let's learn this thing together.